It's a good thing to see you again, kids, this day. Now, in this lesson, we're going to proceed in mathematics. Come on, join me. Now, let us continue our lesson for this day. Yesterday, we were able to unpack the new concept from the frame. Now, I'm gonna write it here. So, yesterday, we were able to unpack 5-digit numbers. Now, in this case, we're going to count this frame from the first row. Come on, join me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count on the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count on the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on the last, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this time, I'm gonna put a dot in each box. Now you're going to pause the video and write your answer on the space provided. Through the help of your mother, you will write your answer on a piece of paper. Okay? Now let's start. I'm gonna put a dot here. Now it's your time to answer this one. In doing so, you're going to use your index finger to count. Let's begin. Count on the first row. How many dots can you see? Correct. This is 1. Write in your paper. This is how we write 1. Good job! Now let's begin on the second row. Use again your index finger to count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. How many dots do we have? Correct. That is number 3. Now write it on a piece of paper. Great job! This is how we write number 3. Now let's continue on the third row. Use again your index finger. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots do I have? Correct. That is number 5. Now write it in your paper. That's nice. This is how we write 5. Good job. Now on the last row, let's count. Use again your index finger. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dots do we have? Correct. That is number 7. Now write it in your paper. Now this time, how do we write number 7? Let's see if you're correct. Hooray! Good job. Let's count it again. This is 1. Correct. This is, yes, this is 3. Correct. How about this one? Yes, this is 5. And last one. Good job. This is 7. Now clap your hands. Now let's begin with our new lesson for this day. Okay, let's answer your activity yesterday before we proceed with the new worksheet for today. What number is this? Correct. This is number 3. And now we're going to put another dots from this side. So how many dots do we need to put in this frame? Correct. That is 2 dots. Now let's do it. 1, 2. Great job! Now let's begin with the next one. What number is this? Correct. This is 2. So how many do I need to give here? Right. 1 dot only. So we have 2 dots. Now let's begin on this side. What number is this? Correct, that is number 6. In order for us to complete this one, let's put another dots from this frame. How many dots do we need to put? Correct, 3 dots. Let's begin on the top. 1, 2, 3. So we got 6. Hooray! Now on the side, what number is this? Yes, this is number 4. So how many dots do I need to write in this frame? Correct. 2 dots. Now let's write it here. 1, 2. Congratulations, you did a great job. I think you got the highest score for today. Now tap yourself and say, good job. Now in this session, let's begin with our new lesson. This time, we're going to learn the domino number bonding. So I'm gonna write it here. Letter D, O, M, I, N, O. Domino. Let's spell number. N, U, M, B, E, R. Let's read number. Great job. Now let's write bonding. It starts with letter B, O, N, D, I, N, G. Bonding. Let's read it again. Domino number bonding. Now we're going to put a dots from this frame. If I'm gonna put a dots here, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna put again another dots. 1, 2. Now this time we're going to count this frame first, and then we're going to write the number in this part or below this frame. Now help me to count this one. Use again your index finger to do this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now let's write number 3 here. Great job! Now, in this frame, we're going to use again our index finger to count. Let's do it. 1, 2. So how many dots do we need to write? Correct. 2. This is how we write number 2. So we have 3 and 2. Now we're going to combine this together by using the plus sign. This is what we call addition. In order for us to combine this, we're going to count all the dots from this side and this side. Now join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots do I have now? Correct! That is number 5. Now let's write it here. This is how we write 5. Congratulations! Now, another set or example. Now, I'm gonna put it here, a 2 dots, and this, another dots. This one, this one, and this one. Okay, let's use again our index finger to count the dots on the first frame. Are you ready? Good job. Now let's begin. 1, 2. How many dots do we have? Correct. 2. Now write it here. Good job. Now let's proceed with the next frame. Let's count again using your index finger. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots do we have? Correct. That is 4. Now we're going to join these two numbers by using the plus sign. This is what we call addition. In order for us to get, we're going to count all of the dots. Now join me to count these two frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots do we have now? Correct. That is number 6. Let's write number 6. Great job, kids! Now this time I'm gonna get your activity on your self-learning module. So do not forget to write your name on the top of the paper and the date. Ask your parents to help you. Now let me read the direction. Count the dots on each domino, write it, and add them. Let's see if you can make it. See you soon. Goodbye.